Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. I am Folake Horebi. You can call me ShiningFolake. Today I want to show us how I made this simple facilitator. So for hair with Aso-oke, our traditional clothes. So I'm having 3 pieces of material here, 3 pieces of Aso-oke here. I don't know which one to go for and which one I can use for it that will be okay for it. Well, let me take this because I'm having the thread with me. So this is the length. You can use any length that is comfortable for you. The longer it is, the better, and the fuller the facilitator on your head. So the length that I'll be using today is 45. The length is 45, while the breadth is 6.5. So I'll be starting right away because I don't like to waste our time. So don't forget we are doing something like this, and we'll be needing pin to pin it down to the hair. You can use that black one, any pin. I will show you how you are going to use it. So we start. We start by doing our fan. Start by doing our fan. You press this. Then you take your needle. You take your needle. Make sure it's firm. And the needle, the thread you'll be using, let it be the same matching color with the material. So you start to pleat. You start to pleat. You pleat. Then you hold the pleat down together with each other. You hold it down. You can do it again so that it will come firmly. Then we take another plate. You stitch it down. You can use your machine, but I prefer to use hand because of some students that are online, they might not have a machine in their room or in their campus, and they want to look different to an outing. So you can easily take your material, any kind of material you have, Ankara, anything, do something simple to cover your hair. So we take the plate again, we take another plate. We pin it down. Again, we take another plate. We are making our fan like this. So you continue like this. We take another pleat. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. You take another pleat, you pleat it down. So we are going to do it till we get to the end of we take another pleat. So can you see? This is the way it looks like. But you are still going to fold. You are still going to put your needle. You can still use it like this as facilitator. You just hook your something down to it like this. And at the same time, for the design that I'm doing now, I have to take it round. You can manipulate it anyhow. Can you see another design that is giving us? You tack it down. Then you tack it. You now put your pin. You can tack it down, then you now put your pin. You put the pin. So let me tack it. And tie. You hold this one to this edge. You bring them out together. You bring the plate together. You tie neatly. And you do the final stitches like this. You can manipulate it anyhow you want it. You can manipulate it anyhow. You can tie anyhow. So this is it. Can you see it's beautiful? I would like to hold this one down. Can you see what it has given us? So you now take your pen that we used to hold it down to your hair. This is the way you are going to fix it. Make sure it's covering the stitches. Take it through the available space. As you come under this, you can use any material for it. If you have any question on how to get a pen, you can drop it on the comment box. And if you do have this type, you can use black, the common black pen that ladies normally use to pin down their hair. Can you see it? Although it came out in another style, but all well and good. Can you see? See? This is the finished product. Can you see the way it's looking? Can you see what we have done? So full and so lovely. You can use it to church, to party. You can use any material for it. You can use any material. You can use Ankara, any material you want to use. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so. Thank you.